Welcome to our tutorial about the add method. In this tutorial, we're going to combine the add method with a for loop to initialize a list box. Let's begin by declaring two variables. We'll declare dim I as an integer and dim A as a string. When you've got a syntax error, you can easily spot it with the blue squiggly line that Visual Basic provides you. Now let's enter the for statement. For I equals 1 to 6. Next, A equals I, space, ampersand, space, double quotation, space, double quotation, space, ampersand, double quotation, item, double quotation, and hard return. Next line, LST L1 period, items, tab key period, add, open parenthesis, A, close parenthesis. And let's go ahead and test our application. Let's click Add. And add again. Here is our list of items. Okay, let me review what's happened here. When the loop started, variable A stored its value as a string. Integer I, space, and the string item. On the next line, the string was added to the next available line in list box 1. And this concludes our tutorial about the add method.